Hi! Hey! Whoa! What'd you say? Yeah! Fine then. Better get a move on. Hi! Trash. Trash. Well, not a total pushover. Eat that! Hey! What's up? Sure. Hell! What'd you say? Hello! Come on. No way. Huh. Yo! I'll take whatever comes my way. Look at you! Alrighty. No good. Very well. Huh. Fine then. Right? Sure.
Ah.
Yes. What? What to do?
Oh boy.
Well now. What? Jeez. What in the?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Hey!
Damn.
Sure. show
got
me.
this.
No way!
Let me show you what I've got. Let me show you what I've got.
Make a show of it.
Have some of this, mate! Crusher!
I've got this.
I die, damn you!
I've got
Make a
this.
show of it. Going! Die already!
Have some of this, mate!
I've got.
What a nuisance.
That was a tough one.
Yeah!
Huh. Fine then. Very well. You're kidding. Well now. Well now. Very well. What to do? Hmm. Holy crap!
That's enough!
You jerk! Hey!
What?
Yes! Well, now.
What?
What in the... Man. Yes. Whoa!
Huh?
Well, now. Farewell. Huh. Damn. Can't believe I got roped into that crap.
Ah,
Adios! Trash. Trash.
what?
See ya.
course. Trash. Yeah.
If it isn't Bardock.
Don't mind me. What's up? Oh my.
What is it? Understood.
All right. Hey! You there! Stand aside. Prince Vegeta's coming through. Vegeta? Watch your mouth, Grunt! That's Prince Vegeta! Come on, don't just stand there! Get the hell out of the way! Whatever. Stand to attention! He's here.
Huh? What the hell are you doing?
All right, just a sec.
What's wrong?
Huh?
Something caught your attention.
Oh, yeah. I, accidentally left my scouter on search mode. It picked up a reading from that guy over there. Said his power level was around 10,000.
That's so? Impressive. That's higher than yours.
My scouter's gotta be busted. I'll get it fixed later.
10,000's still no match for me. I'm going to get even stronger. The whole universe will tremble before me.
You got that right, Prince Vegeta, and I'll be right there with you. Have a safe journey! Phew. Man, them stopping by like that made me real nervous. My heart was pounding. Yeah, that brat, he's just as freakishly intimidating as ever. That's for sure. Oh, I didn't mean to, oh. I meant to say, that's our Prince Vegeta for you. Nothing like my kid. He's great. Prince Vegeta, huh? Hey, you listening to me? I'm serious. That's what I meant. Thought he was just some spoiled brat. But looks like I was wrong. Hey, you hearing me? Huh? Please don't tell anyone what I said, okay?
Well, that was a waste of time. Whatever. Better get going. But that kid, Prince Vegeta, at that age, his power level's probably higher than mine. Guess he's gonna be the new king. That ought to be interesting.
Hey, Bardock. Next job's on Kanasa, right?
Yeah.
I hear there's gonna be a full moon over there.
Perfect timing for Saiyans. I wish I could join you. I want to let loose too.
Heh! You leave the rampaging to us fighters.
You're late.
Yeah, something we usually say to you.
Everything all taken care of?
You bet.
I've got your rations packed in there too.
All right, let's move out then.
Hey, Bardock.
Hmm?
Come here for a second.
Go on then.
Worst damn timing.
What does he want?
Hell if I know.
So listen, we just finished performing a checkup on the boy.
His power level is extremely low, and he is indeed your son. The hair confirms it.
What the hell? You called me over here for this?
Oh wait, you don't want to see him?
I ain't got time for that. I've got a real fun job to get to.
Father of the Year.
So, what did he want?
My son was just born.
Whoa!
Come on, let's get the hell out of here.
Wait, hold up, Bardock. Shouldn't you go see him?
If you don't hurry up, I'm leaving you behind.
What a guy.
Whatever. Time to go.
What's that? A meteor?
No clue.
So this is Kanasa, huh?
What a dump.
Not much longer till the full moon.
While we wait, why not warm ourselves up?
Looks like they're thinking the same thing.
All right, a welcoming party.
We'll split into two groups. Me and Fasha will go with Bardock.
Why? Just let me do my own thing.
No. Once you get started, there's no bringing you back. We're coming with you.
So, I'm with Borgos then. Yeah.
You watch yourself, too. Don't overdo it.
Where should we get started?
For now, let's head toward the city and see how things stand.
All right. Finally. All right, guys. Keep your body...
Let's go wild! Yeah!
So what do you think? How strong are these guys?
Well, can't really get my hopes up.
You've come a long way to get here. Let's hope it's worth a trip. Got plenty of power now.
This area should work. Come on, we'd better start looking around.
Yep. Sounds like they've got plenty of people in the city.
Looks like it, yeah.
All that's left is to flatten this town and the job's done.
That's true. But this number of folks alone is a bother.
I'm getting readings from several spots around the city. Aiming from there might be the best plan.
If we attack the bases, that ought to lure some of those dimwits from the city.
Beating around the bush.
Come on, don't be like that. There's some time before the full moon. Let's just take it easy till then.
What up? Holy crap!
What in the...
Hey!
Sure.
What base should we start from?
Hey, Bardock. You're dead set on charging into the city. I won't stop you.
Hey! What up?
Sure.
What is it?
Right?
Well, now.
All right.
Right?
Right.
Sure.
Well, now.
Ah,
So,
Right?
yeah. Can't wait to see what kind of fight he puts up.
He's about to learn firsthand just how terrifying Saiyans can be.
Oh, sorry. Right? Trash.
Ah,
Well now.
Sure.
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 I'll show you the difference between us.
Yeah. This is the end. We're in trouble now.
Let's make a show of it.
Let me show you what I've got.
Let's make a show of it.
Let me show you what I've got.
Time. Go. Ride this
Let's make a show of it.
I die, damn you!
Let's make a show of it.
I've got this! Nailed it, Bardock.
We're the winners here. Hey!
What? Right. Thanks.
Man,
Ah,
What? Grr.
sure.
Right? Yeah.
oh boy. What?
What in the... He was tough, but in the end, he was still just a kanasa. We wiped the floor with him easy.
Well, guess that means a smooth invasion from here on out.
Still, I'd love to throw down with a stronger opponent. The moon's full tonight and everything.
Trash.
We should be close to the base soon.
Fresh wall. Die already! Ouch! Up to the ear. This is the end!
Look out on me, damn it!
Die already! Die already! This is the... Trash.
We've got a base nearby.
Can't wait to see how many please show up.
Who the hell are you?
What a strange bunch. You think?
So, what?
You'll get your allies over here if you know what's...
The invaders are here! Somebody! Anybody!
Idiots.
Time to beat feet.
We won't let you do as you please!
Can't you put in some kind of fight? Not that it'll matter.
Everything up myself.
You, for real? I should be saying that.
Nothing like team.
Say what?
You making fun of me?
I'm being serious, damn it!
I got this. Look down on it.
Hey, what? Is that all?
This is the end! We'll put a stop to them and show them what Kanasa's made of! We will avenge our fallen brethren!
I respect the energy, but you picked the wrong opponent.
Let's make a
I
show of
got
it! Let's make a
I die, damn you! Damn outsider!
I got this. Look down on me, Dad. I missed.
I'm finishing us! You're here to be crushed! It's time!
I got this.
Over already?
What a load of crap. Put a fork in this spot. It's done.
There may be some stragglers on the tower.
Smash and bash?
All right.
Eat that!
Right, should we head to the next spot?
Yeah, let's keep going and obliterate these guys.
That's 100 for me! How about you guys?
Lost count a long time ago.
But we're definitely piling up the bodies.
At this rate, we might not have anything left to smash, just grade apes.
Hey, that better not be true! I was looking forward to going ape on their asses!
Try to show some restraint. Save some for later.
Fine, whatever, I'll ease up. Guess.
No reason to head this way.
We ought to turn back.
Eat this! Eat this!
This is fine stuff.
What are all of you doing here?
We've come to slaughter the lot of you.
We heard some strange spaceship had shown up. I guess that was yours?
Don't you think you ought to call for help? Like now?
Don't worry. We've already reported to the city.
Is that right? Appreciate it.
Let's get this party started, right? I swear I'll protect this place! Connections aren't as weak as you think! Looks like this is the hell's gonna be a group tour! I'll stop you!
tough guy. Done already?
These guys are as tough as nails!
This is the end time!
Let me show you what it's like.
Let's make a show of it.
Slaughtered my friends! How could you?
It's kind of our job. Sorry. We need you the hell off this planet.
Let me... I've got this!
I die, damn you! Won't get away! Damn outsider!
I've got
Make a
this!
show of it. That's the end of it.
I was hoping I'd have a little more fun.
That takes care of everything here.
Don't forget to target those towers.
Sure.
Another sensational display.
Such a joy to destroy.
Huh. Once we're done here, you can go see your kid.
What? You're still going on about that?
It's your second one, right? What's his name?
No idea. The only thing I've heard is that he's a...
Jeez, that's pretty cold.
What's this got to do with our job? Shut the hell up already.
Nah, if that's how it's gonna be. Fine.
power now.
Looks like a bunch of them are mobilizing nearby.
Nice. Looks like a good target.
Who are you people?
No point introducing ourselves.
Oh no, it's an enemy raid! We need reinforcements!
Seems like they've come from the city, too.
All according to plan.
Well, time.
Okay.
Sure.
Start with these guys right here. Hey, try to pace yourself, all right?
Back at ya!
This is good. Just keep coming. This is what I want. Let's bury them. Go! This is the end!
You can go ahead and try.
Let's make a show of it.
Let me show you what I've got.
Just about done here, too.
Yeah, nothing but small fry on this rock. This is the end!
Let me show you what I've got.
Make a show of it.
I die, damn you! Damned outsider! Yeah!
Make a show of it.
Wait, that's it?
I was looking forward to letting loose.
Nice. We've whittled down the ranks in the city real good.
What a pain. Let's go turn the city to dust already. Everyone who was hanging on must have dropped off this mortal coil by now.
Can't say I expected that haul.
That may be so. If you don't move your ass, I'm gonna beat you to all of them.
Hey, we're a team. We should be working together. That's great. Just be on your guard, okay?
Keep them surrounded! Yeah!
I swear there's nothing between your ears.
Trash.
They didn't stand a chance.
been on quite the rampage. But don't think we'll ever let you touch this city!
Huh. Better show that spunk while you can.
You're outmatched. Don't expect any mercy.
My fellow Kanasans, we must defend our planet! Sir!
Well now, let's get to work. Yeah.
We won't let you have your way! I'm gonna defend this planet! Go ahead! Why would you do this?
And what'll knowing...
I got this. Let me show you what I've got.
This job will go off without a hitch.
I was hoping we could have at least a little more fun.
This is the end!
Let me show you what I've got.
I die, damn you! Like this.
Let's make a show of it.
We'll stop you.
I got this.
This is the end.
Let's make a show of it.
Stop you.
protect this planet?
Worked up a little sweat.
Thirst for destruction still isn't satisfied.
That's most of them. We didn't even need to become great apes.
Still looks like we've got some stragglers here and there.
Not too much longer until the full moon.
In that case, let's kill some time with the leftovers until night falls.
Bardock, it's time.
Right. You bastards are done.
Damn.
That's what you get for not being more careful. But yeah, Bardock. Guess we went pretty hard, celebrating your son's birth and all.
Celebrating my son's birth? Sure, whatever.
We're done here, so you should head back to planet Vegeta and see the little tyke.
Why the hell would I waste my time with that pathetically hopeless pipsqueak? What kind of fool do you take me for? Count me out.
Suit yourself.
You know, guys, we ought to thank Lord Frieza. He's been treating us good for a long time now.
But what's Lord Frieza want with a dump of a planet like this anyway?
Well, supposedly, there's some sort of weird psychic energy on this rock. At least, that's the rumor anyway. Not sure if Lord Frieza really believes that, but I hear he's been after it for quite a long time now.
He caught me off guard.
Hear me? Just now, I've hit you with my fabled future punch technique. You should now see that you and your kind are doomed.
Future punch? What the hell are you talking about?
There is nothing but annihilation in your future. You will all be wiped out, just like what happened to us. How does it feel knowing the future? Knowing that your days are numbered? That's enough!
What a joke! The Saiyan race is unbeatable. That guy honestly thought we'd suffer? Give me a break. Hey, Bardock!
Bardock! Hey, Bardock!
Snap out of it! Bardock!
The hell's wrong with you? What are you doing?
Bardock!
Lord Frieza, we've just received word that planet Kanasa is ours.
Good.
That puts us about 1 month ahead of schedule.
So who did it? Who is in charge of clearing out that place?
A band of insignificant low-class Saiyan warriors.
Saiyans.
Those guys have been putting in the work lately.
Some of them are indeed remarkable.
Take that Prince Vegeta, for example. He possesses a power level well beyond his years.
And that's not all. Individually, they don't amount to much, but in large numbers they can have immense power.
You sound scared of him, Zarbon.
Hardly. But they could prove to be a nuisance if we don't do something about them. I mean, there's no telling when another Vegeta will show up. And if enough of them were to rally behind a Saiyan like that...
They would become a thorn in my side?
Oh, indeed.
So, how's he doing?
Well, physically speaking, he's completely healthy. But his brainwaves are another matter.
Nothing we can do about it. I guess Bardock's gonna have to sit this one out.
What? What happened to me? What the hell's going on?
There is nothing but annihilation in your future. You will all be wiped out, just like what happened to us. How does it feel knowing the future? Knowing that your days are numbered?
Bardock! You've awakened. Hold on, I'll open the capsule for you. What the hell was that just now? A dream? No, it was different. It felt so real. A planet blowing up. A pod heading for a blue planet. Who was that kid? What a bunch of crap.
You seem to be having a nightmare. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm built better than guys like you. Where are Tora and the others?
They were dispatched to Planet Meat under the orders of Lord Frieza.
What? Damn it! I can't believe they left me behind. Planet Meat, huh? That's not far. All right.
Wait, Bardock!
How does it feel, knowing that your days are numbered?
Kakaroto. A power level of 2. Garbage. Gotta get to Planet Meat before Tora and the guys take all the glory. That is not happening. But man, my head's not feeling right since I got back from Kanasa. What the hell was with that exploding planet? And that kid looked like Kakaroto. But it can't be him. There's no way. Damn it. My head's all messed up. Hard to believe Kakaroto's my kid. With that power level, he's...
What's up?
What is it?
Yes. go! Great. Doodles. This is the end! This is the end! Eat this!
Got plenty of...
Damn.
Trash. Let me have some fun, will ya? A formidable foe. Fish ain't so bad, once in a while. Piece of cake. Trash. Trash. Shit.